Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about statistics. The topic today is about variance. So now I want to show you how to answer. First thing, we need to change W into this one. So we have variance of 3 plus X. Now we have the formula in here. So the first one, if we have the variance of A plus S, so A that is about the constant. So we have variance of S. And the second one, if we have the variance of AS, we have A square variance of capital S. So in here we just have only this one. So this one we apply the formula in here. And we have variance of capital S. So we need to find this one. So the formula of this one we have like this. That should be about expected of S square minus about the square of expected of S. So we need to find this one and this one. About the first one, that should be about the summation of S multiplied by BS. So in here we have negative number 1 and number 3, and we have probability in here. So we have negative number 1 multiplied by 0.75, and the second one, number 3, multiplied by 0.25. So we calculate this one, and we have number 0, and the second one we have S squared, that is about the sum of all S squared multiplied by BS. So that means we have negative number 1 to the power of 2 multiplied by 0.75 plus number 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 0.25. So we calculate this one, and we have number 3. So after we have the numbers in here, we can go back to put this one cone here. And we have number 3. So the value of this one equals to number 3. And number 3, that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.